Ready to unlock the secrets to making money online? Whether you're a total beginner or looking to upgrade your side hustle, this guide is for you. Let's dive into 5 powerful ways you can start earning today. First, let's talk about the mindset. Earning online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business. It requires skills, time, and choosing the right platform. Think of it as building your financial future, one skill at a time. Our first method is free blogging. You can start a blog for zero cost using platforms like Blogger or the free version of WordPress.com. The key to success? Superfast SEO. Learn to use free tools like Google Keyword Planner to find what people are searching for. Master on-page SEO by crafting perfect titles, meta descriptions, and using proper headings. Most importantly, make your site lightning fast by optimizing images to WebP format and leveraging browser caching. A speedy site ranks higher and keeps readers happy. Need cash quickly? Try microjobs. Platforms like Clickworker, Epin, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small, simple tasks you can do for immediate pay. Think data entry, short surveys, or helping train AI models. The trick is to build a complete profile and maintain a high success rate to unlock better paying tasks. Set up a PayPal or Payoneer account, and you can start cashing out your earnings in no time. If you have a specific skill, freelancing is your path to a stable income. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need your expertise. Don't just compete on price. Build a brand. Specialize in a high-demand niche, like Shopify SEO or AI prompt engineering. Create a stunning portfolio on Behance or a personal website to showcase your best work. Excellent communication and glowing client testimonials will turn one-time gigs into long-term relationships. Next, a word on trading. This is a high-risk, high-reward area that demands serious education. Whether it's stocks, forex, or crypto, you must understand the fundamentals. Start with demo accounts on platforms like eToro or Binance to practice without risking real money. Use free resources like YouTube channels and financial news sites to learn. Always use tools like stop-loss orders to manage your risk. Remember, this is supplemental income, not a lottery ticket. Finally, let's talk about scaling up. Never stop learning. Use free courses from Google, Digital Garage, or Free Code Camp to upgrade your skills. Embrace AI tools to automate tasks and create content faster. The ultimate goal is to diversify. Start with microjobs for quick cash, transition to freelancing for stable income, and then explore passive streams like affiliate marketing or careful trading. By combining these strategies, you're not just earning money, you're building a resilient multi-stream income portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more guides on mastering your financial freedom.